Hi all, I am Bev from Inkwell and I wanted to share with you today how to make some bath bombs. In light of the current situation, I figured that it was best for us all to be pampering ourselves at home, and one way we can do this is by having a nice relaxing bath. So in true Blue Peter style, here's one I made earlier. I used a silicone mould to press the bath bombs into, and I also used some lavender buds for this one. It's got a few different essential oils in, so it'll make you feel fabulous after you've had it. They are a little bit oily. We have tested these out in the bath, so probably the size of bath bomb that I've made here is a little bit too big. Yeah. We live and we learn, and perhaps I won't make them this big again. So yeah, here we go. I'm going to show you how to make some of these delightful bath bombs. And the whole family can get involved. I had my 4.5-year-old making them with me the other day. So hopefully, yeah, you can learn something from this. So I've got Evelyn with me here now. We just wanted to show you what you might use around the house to pack the bath bombs into. So we've used these silicone moulds. They're nice and squidgy. They were pretty good, although a little bit big. What else have we got?
So we've got yogurt pot that's a little bit squishy, and it needs to have yogurt in it, but Mummy cleaned it out.
That's right. What else have we got?
An egg cup, it's got a smiley face, and it's got lightning and some hands and eyes.
Yep, so we could use that. And what else have we got?
And then we've got some ice cubes, and the ice cubes have gone out because we've used them all and Mummy cleaned it out, so it's a little bit squidgy too.
Yep.
And bendy.
So we could use all of those things.
Yeah.
So in terms of ingredients, we have a list here. So we're going to be using 200 grams of bicarbonate of soda, 100 grams of citric acid, 50 grams of corn flour, 4 tablespoons of oil. We used olive oil in this instance, but you could use coconut oil or sunflower oil. We also used some essential oils in our bath bombs. And anything such as lavender or tea tree, peppermint. We also used some food colouring. In our instance, we had powdered food colouring, but you can use the liquid stuff from the supermarket. And then, as an added extra, you could put some dried petals or dried peels in there just to make them look pretty. Okay, so we have all our ingredients pre-weighed here. Because I've used the powdered colouring, I've put that in with some powder. Evelyn has here the oil. The essential oils will need to be mixed into here. Also, if you're using a liquid food colour, you'll need to mix it in with this mixture here. So we have all 3 bowls. I'm just going to pour those all in so that they're all together, all the powdered stuff together. And we're going to mix all that together. And then, wait a minute. So we'll mix all that in. Your colouring will probably look fairly light until you start mixing the liquid in if you're using powdered. Do you want to start pouring the liquid in, Evelyn? So we'll just start pouring the liquid in a little bit at a time.
Ah!
Oh no, is it leaking? There you go, a bit more.
It got some Mummy and Dad.
Oh no! So just bit by bit here with the oil. We want to get it all mixed in nice and evenly. Bit more. Mixing, mixing, mixing. Bit more. A little bit more than that. That's it.
That might be a bit too much.
So what's happening here is it's turning a little bit lumpy.
But it's alright.
All the flowers are combining with the oil at the moment. It's alright, isn't it? Yeah. You want to pour the rest of the oil in then? So we'll get all that, scrape it all out. That's it, every little bit. So continue to stir that until it's all combined. You can see there it's sort of all starting to stick together. And then the last thing that you need to do, I didn't put it on the ingredients, but you need to pop in here a few dashes of water. Now when you put the water in, it will fizz a little bit. You just got to keep on mixing quite quickly, which I'll do now. So you see there it's fizzing. We're going to mix it as quickly as we can. The colour really comes out when you add that water in there.
Yeah, and it might get a bit yellow at first, but it will turn orange.
Well, we've put yellow food colouring in, haven't we? So we're going to have yellow bath bombs today.
Yep.
The oils that we've used today are mei chang and ginger.
Yep.
So we decided to use a yellow colour, didn't we? Mei chang's a bit of a citrusy scent.
Smells good.
It smells good. Good, I'm glad you think it smells good. Okay, and then once you've sort of got that, you can press it and you can see it's crushing together. Then you can start popping it into your moulds, whatever they are.
All of them.
Are we going to try all the moulds? I think that's a good idea.
Let's do the egg pop first.
Let's do the egg pop first. We're just going to use a board to cover our worktop here. Do you want a little spoon?
Yeah.
Let's get a little one for you. Is that too little?
Yeah.
So it's just about crushing it into there as firmly as you can. If you've got shapes in your moulds, then you need to sort of get it into every little nook and cranny. And then once you've done that, you just need to let them set for a few hours before you can use them. We let them set overnight yesterday, didn't we?
Yeah, but we don't today.
And then, did you use one in the bath yesterday?
Yeah.
And was it good?
Yeah.
Did it smell nice? Did you feel beautiful afterwards?
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's it. So you just crush them in like that, scrape off any excess. Evelyn's putting hers into an egg cup here.
And Mummy's gonna put the other one into a flower, and then I'm gonna do the rest of the stars until Mummy does the heart.
That's it. And then that's it. So once you've let them dry, you'll have sort of your shape that's formed. It's quite tough. And yeah, they're delicious. So have a good bath. And we'll see you later for the next installation.